I'm Wes Michael, president of Rare Patient Voice. We're thrilled to be honored with this Invisible Disabilities Corporate Award. I'm accepting on behalf not only of my colleagues at Rare Patient Voice, but also for all the patients with invisible disabilities who have joined Rare Patient Voice over the years to share their voices and help companies develop and improve treatments. I remember the first time invisible disabilities hit home for me. I was at a Sjogren syndrome event with my table and signs set up to invite people to join Rare Patient Voice. A young woman came up. From all appearances, she was healthy, but as she was filling out our registration form, she started to list her diseases. She asked, "Can I write on the back?" She was only 30 years old, but she suffered from over a dozen different conditions. That's when it became so clear to me. Don't make assumptions. You can't judge a book by its cover. I think of sickle cell disease patients who suffer such intense pain and often even experience healthcare providers make assumptions that they are faking or exaggerating the pain just to obtain opioids. And this distrust can hurt even more than the disease. Migraine, mental illness, traumatic brain injury, hemophilia, chronic fatigue syndrome, MS, ADHD, and so many others aren't obvious to the observer. So I've learned and will keep spreading the word that invisible disabilities are very real. Thanks again for recognizing the work of Rare Patient Voice on behalf of all patients and their caregivers. We're proud to include over 100,000 patients across over 700 diseases and conditions across 9 countries, and we're even prouder that we've been able to compensate them over $9 million for participating in studies and sharing their voices. Only by taking their opinions into account can researchers and companies create the products, treatments, and services that will help them and all who come after. Thanks.